For our forensic tool, we're going to use Dumpzilla. Dumpzilla is an application developed in Python and has a purpose to extract all forensic interesting information of Firefox, iSwizzle, and SeaMonkey browsers to be analyzed. So the first step is to open the terminal emulator and install Dumpzilla since it doesn't come pre-installed in Kali Linux. So to install Dumpzilla, you run the command apt-get install Dumpzilla command. Then after it's done installing, you then open Dumpzilla. So after opening Dumpzilla like this, we need to check the Mozilla user profile. As you can see here, Dumpzilla provides links to the different user profiles for different operating systems. So for ours, we're going to use ls, then -l, then home, then admin being the user profile, then Mozilla to list the directories. After we list the directories, we want to navigate to the Firefox folder. So it's home, admin, Mozilla, then Firefox. After we list the contents of the Firefox folder, we need to check for our user profile. So to check for our user profile, we use our ls again, Mozilla Firefox. So in this instance, we don't know which user profile we are using. So we need to test these two, the TL4 and the W6I, to get our user profile. So we start with W6I. Then we run. So as you can see, this is not our user profile. So we now move on to the TL4. So we list the directory again. Then we paste our copied selection. Then we run. So as you can see, this is our user profile with all the contents, the add-ons, the cookies, and so on. So the next thing we are going to do, we are now performing the browser forensics using Dumpzilla. So our command will be Dumpzilla. Then we point the directory. Then our command for passwords is -- then passwords. Our Dumpzilla is completed, checking for the stored passwords in Firefox. So the next step will be checking for the search engines. Dumpzilla can be used to check for cookies, passwords, search engines, and browser history. But for our presentation, I'm just focusing on the demo of passwords and search engines. So to search for the search engines, we use the Dumpzilla command again. Then we specify our file directory. Then we write search. Then enter. Dumpzilla will then show you the search engines which are used by that user. And if a user used Google, on the description it will show what the user searched for on Google and the path, that is the URL. Same for Amazon, Wikipedia, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. So basically this is the functionality of Dumpzilla to perform browser forensics. Thank you.